Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best subwoofers for car that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Alpine. If you are looking for the best compact subwoofer for your car, picking Alpine PWE-S8 will be the best choice. The Alpine PWE-S8 is a tiny subwoofer system that is 3 inches deep, 13.5 inches broad, and 9 inches long. It can be fitted beneath or behind seats in the car or an SUV. It comes with a durable, cast metal shell that's designed for a challenging ride while preserving the subwoofer from the inside. As a result, the PWE-S8 provides you with the bass you can count on. The PWE-S8 box was built for performance and durability in every environment, even tight installation spaces. You may be confused about the size. But the PWE-S8 is a formidable opponent. The 8-inch subwoofer has a high excursion and uses a Class D amp rated at 120 watts to generate robust bass output. In addition, its built-in amplifier controls, including phase, volume, and a low-pass crossover, are accessible via a side panel, allowing you to combine your bass with your sound system. You can control your subwoofer levels from the driver's seat as it has an input for a wired remote level knob. It comes with a 15-foot cable linked to the remote level knob, allowing for flexible installation wherever on the dash. Featuring simple RCA inputs and speaker-level inputs with automatic turn-on, attaching the PWE-S8 is simple. At number 4. Kenwood. If you are looking for a pre-installed subwoofer with rich sound quality, you can consider Kenwood KSC SW11. A compact enclosed subwoofer will give the car the bass it deserves. The KSC SW11 tiny-powered subwoofer can bring your music to new heights, and it comes with such a wired remote control that allows you to adjust volume and control. It comes with a maximum wattage of 150. The frequency system has a good frequency, and you can even add a low pass rate to isolate the bass in your music. The subwoofers are already mounted in the casing of the car audio system. It has a wired remote control and weighs 6.17 pounds. Volume, phase, and frequency can all be controlled with the remote control. The installation of your subwoofers will necessitate the assistance of experts. According to customer evaluations, this gadget not only makes your music louder, but also makes objects in your car rattle, including the windows. The Kenwood KSC SW11 tiny enclosed subwoofer is an excellent addition to any car's audio system. At number 3. Boss Audio System. If you are Googling for a budget subwoofer for your car, choosing Boss Audio System will be the best choice. The CXX8 8-inch car subwoofer is made of polypropylene, a strong and durable material capable of providing better sound quality with the added benefit of a long-lasting subwoofer. Rubber has the potential to withstand a lot of punishment without showing any signs of wear. It enhances the speaker's overall structure by enabling consistent misuse where it is needed without causing wear and tear. Most of the energy generated by the device can be absorbed and transferred by a stamped basket. It possesses excellent corrosion resistance, mechanical properties, thermal and electrical conductivity, and sustained strength at high temperatures. The subwoofer's voice coils can tolerate extreme temperatures while maintaining their strength and fatigue resistance. Our speakers benefit from longer playtimes and lighter weights when using the material for your voice coils. It comes with the resonant frequency of 49 Hz, and its sensitivity SPL is 83 dB. It has a dimension of 8.25x8, 25x4, 3. At number 2. Kicker. If you are looking for a subwoofer with a built-in amplifier, then you can consider buying a Kicker 11HS88 subwoofer. It comes with all the cables, connectors, and equipment needed to install the subwoofer. There are no further wire purchases required as everything is provided. It is as close to a plug-and-play subwoofer and amplifier combination as you can get. It contains all the necessary brackets and screws to attach it rapidly and easily in any location. In addition, it has an incredible depth of bass for such a little subwoofer. You won't believe how powerful this little subwoofer is, particularly considering its size. This two-position switch alters how the subwoofer is connected, allowing you to modify the setup to your particular preferences and the gadgets you already own. While traveling, you can adjust the amount of bass you wish to hear. The bass increase control knob changes automatically from 0 to +6 dB. So, you can adjust the bass to suit your favorite songs as many times as you desire. You can effortlessly change settings using the provided connected remote. It's simple to set up and contributes to the user-friendliness of this subwoofer. At number 1. Kicker. If you are looking for a powerful 10 inches subwoofer, you can choose the Kicker Hideaway 46HS10. It is the latest hideaway in the industry, and it packs some significant features. The Kicker Hideaway HS10 comes with a powered 10-inch subwoofer with an RMS output of 180 watts that can be placed practically any place. It is an improved version of the original Hideaway HS8 that remains one of the most popular subwoofers. Although it comes with a 10-foot woofer, the HS10 packs a powerful and can touch some significant low-end frequencies. There are a lot of installation possibilities with high and low-level inputs. HS10 accepts input signals varying from 0.25 volt to 40 volts, 400 watts at 4, so there's no need to worry because it will operate with practically any car without needing a line output converter. The unique features are variable low-pass crossover, subsonic filtration, phase control, and an extra bass boost with a remote bass knob. Kicker also has a new product called Fit Plus TM. This eliminates the need for sound processors or line-out converts by allowing you to transmit any music source directly to an amplifier. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.